everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So guys, this afternoon I'm going to be making fried rice, yes, for a birthday party. Yeah, so over here are all my ingredients which I'm going to be needing for this fried rice. Everything you see here, I'm going to be frying it. So these are not everything, but we are going to start from here. So I've already chopped all my ingredients here. So over there I have my carrots here, green peas. I have my corn, sweet corn over there. I have chopped onions, no, garlic, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper is what I have here. So I also have in here crumbs there. And oh, so we are going to be diving into the video. I'm going to take you guys, step by step to show you guys how I fry it. Guys know that frying is is the most difficult part of fried rice. That is why we call it fried rice, because you need to fry everything. Yeah, so that is what we are going to be doing on this video. Over here is my gizzard. Yeah, I've also chopped it into the size I need. So let's just dive into the frying. So because it's a party fried rice, I'm going to be using a bigger pot for this. So delicious, guys. It looks so yummy and delicious. So everything is almost done. It's just to wash the rice and, you know, just mix it together. Yeah, and our fried rice is ready. So I'm going to be showing you guys tomorrow when I'm going to make the rice. So see you guys tomorrow then.